Alright guys, welcome back to One Minute School. In this video I'm gonna show you how to decompile or recompile an APK using APK Easy Tools. So you can see that I'm right now APK Easy Tool software dashboard. So I'm gonna show you how to decompile an APK. So we need to click on the browse button and then we can choose our APK that we wanna decompile. So I'm gonna click on that app and click on the open button. You can see here the applications icon. Alright, so here is decompile, compile, signed APK. So I'm gonna click on the decompile button. That's it. Now we need to wait for decompilation. So I'm gonna note you that you shouldn't use the compilation service unethically, so we're gonna do it for just to make it fun. So alright, you can see that it's decompiling right now, so we need to wait just a minute. Okay, so as soon as the APK decompilation completed, we're gonna check that. Alright, you can see that decompile successful. So we're gonna click on the decompiled APK. Alright, guys, you can see that the APK decompiled and we got a folder. Now click on that and you can see that here is the source code with undead manifest.xml. If you click on the race folder and go to value.string, layout, menu, everything is here. Just click on that and click on the string.xml and I'm gonna open that with notepad. Alright, click on the notepad and you can see that we can change its name here. Alright, I'm gonna search that Control L and a button. I'm gonna search here PALLY and click on the find next button and you can see that here is my application socket. So we can change here anything we need. You can see here that the application's 6 belly. So I'm gonna click that 1 belly just to alright. You can change as you want and click that save button. Alright, so let's back to the software APK Easy Tool and we're gonna create a sign APK. Let's see. Alright, you can see that signed successfully. So let's gonna see compiled APK directory. Alright, sorry, we need to compile that. Okay, I'm now compiling from the reskin code. So we need to just wait a minute. Alright. So that's the video for today. I'm gonna show you it's really compiling from the edited code or not. So we need to wait for the final result. Okay, signing APK successfully. So now we're gonna check that and you can see that our application changed and you will get a reskin and edited application. So that's the videos for today. If you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button and let's see you in the next videos.